Hi, I thought I might show a couple techniques that I use when I build a very sculptural piece of furniture. This is a sketch of a table that I'm starting to make. It's similar to one that I've made before with some basic changes. Since this has so much sculptural qualities to it, it's a little hard to draw on a flat elevation. So I like to do a mock-up. And I start out with a space that represents the size of the table itself. So this is the right width, the right height, and as long as this fits in between here and here, it's the right length. I've drawn the shape of the top on the base of this mock-up. And what that helps me do, it helps me position the legs so that I can position it so that the table is really stable. I don't want it to rock, I want to make sure it's stable. It also allows me to see how the different parts interplay with each other. To do that, I've cut out cardboard templates the size of the table. And if I pick one of these up, I hot glue a piece of wood on it so that I can put it down and move it around. So I can move this in and out a bit, back this way a bit. And I can, once I like it, I can note where that position is. Same thing with this area here. Now this centerpiece has a nice little curve to it. And I can do that with a mock-up by gluing on another curve. So that's my mock-up of that center. I want that curve. And to get that curve, I can cut the wood like a coopered barrel. So sort of like that. I can come up with this and put a domino here, come up with this, put a domino there, and I can then shape this back and forth and get a nice sculptural quality to it. Also, I can walk around the mock-up and see what it looks like from the ends, the front, the ends, and if I remove this back, I could see the back. So it's going to give me a good idea of how it's going to look. Over here, I'm going to wrap this base around this way, and over here, I'm going to come up and connect it here. But I don't want to do that now because I want to make some plywood templates out of this, so that I can lay those templates on my wood and position my wood in accordance to the grain and the shape. So this technique helps simplify what would appear to be a complicated piece of furniture.